How to view stories on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Messenger app from your Play Store on your Android. Now open the Messenger app in your phone. We are going to know that how to see stories or how to watch stories on Facebook Messenger. Then you can see different options at the bottom. There's a chats option, calls, people, and the stories. Click on the stories option. You can see before watching to the stories, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. You will see your story here, and you can also see the stories of different people on Facebook Messenger. This procedure is for both Android as well as on for iPhone. Just make sure, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.